Today we are unboxing and testing the Rode Videomic Pro Plus. This is a kind of a vlogging microphone. I've kind of decided to purchase one of these just simply because of a lot of the features it has, and I've been using this piece of crap that I'm currently using, this lavalier, which is wireless when I don't need it to be wireless. Long story short, this is why I've gotten this. But basically what we're going to do today is we're going to unbox it, and we're going to test it, and you guys get to hear what it sounds like, and hopefully one of those parts you can enjoy it. The first part is going to be me unboxing it, and the second part, I'll make sure I put that right now, I like the timing and stuff when you can tune in for that. The second part is going to be me testing it at various angles, distances, etc. So you'll have a full, thorough test on what you can expect to see. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So here we are. We got a nice little bit of a new unboxing setup in case you guys were curious. So we're going to be starting off by unboxing this. Simply just cracking into it, grab some scissors and such. So first off, let's just start by going into the top right here. Apologize for my nice little unboxing skills here. As you can tell, I'm not necessarily the best at this. Just run over here real quick, and I think we are good. Okay. So, let's see if I can grab this real quick. There we go. Okay, so there's the top off here. Now we're just going to slide this out. If I can, actually. There we go. So there is everything that it comes out when you first open it up. Put that aside and put that aside as well. And as you can see, it looks pretty interesting. Everything looks like it comes in, nice shiny box and stuff. Let's start off by getting this out of here. So this is basically just pop this side part out, and you get a nice little view of the microphone. So here's the microphone itself. I don't know why mine has a little dirt on it, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Nice adjustment parts right there, which actually works out even better because that's not the adapter I have. This is actually the adapter that I have currently on my microphone stand, which ends up working really well. But as you can see, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can take this off. Well, I think you actually can. And then of course you got the trap door right here that of course you can put the microphone in or the battery in and stuff. So there we go, there's that. And then we got the nice little audio cable. Right here we've got the battery, which it comes with, which is very nice. And then we're back here, we got just instructions, and we got another, we got a charging cable, which is great because I'm probably going to be charging it the whole time while I'm recording. So looking on the back right here, we've got all the different options: power, decibel control, and of course all the cool interesting stuff there. Let's see, and of course I would expect that, does this battery have charging on it, or where does it have the, I'm trying to figure out where the charging option is. There we go. So charging is right there, which is great if you're just going to do this all the time. You don't actually have to, you can just plug this in and use this instead. Let's see if we can take this out real quick and show you guys what this looks like. So this is what it looks like there. I'm going to try keeping this somewhat clean. And so as you can see here, this is the cable we have, and of course just a regular, USB mini charger. So looking overall at this, it looks pretty good. Just everything, I'm sure this has to be charged and stuff, so looking at it that way, it looks pretty nice and stuff. Nice solid firm construction, and I'm going to put it up now and see what we got for sound. So be right back. So here we are using this new microphone, and it looks pretty cool, to be honest, but I am really happy with the fact of how it sounds. Not to mention all the extra features like the automatic turn off. There's like a lot of little extras that make a difference, especially because I have a noisy air conditioning unit that sits probably about 20 feet that direction. So I really don't feel like wanting to have to fine tune that out so much. So at least this helps a lot with that. There's a lot of other cool features on it, but I think most importantly is the fact that it powers on and off. Now right now I'm actually using it. This is me just talking normally. As you can see, no lavalier, nothing like that. This is actually the thing I'm going to have a fun time destroying today. Just going through and smashing this to pieces, because as you can assume, this has caused me lots of problems with my footage, ruining footage. At least this way, I literally just turn on the on button on the camera, and I already have everything set up. I have the sound already set up, it turns on automatically, and I literally just sit down, record, good, don't have to worry about any problems with footage getting messed up, anything like audio messed up. This basically just allows me to fly through footage pretty quickly. So with all due respect, this microphone for 30 bucks was not necessarily the best. And why it was wireless, I have no idea. It was something they got for a birthday a while back. But hey, we have something now different, and I really do like how it sounds. Sounds a lot better. I was a little concerned about, the quality on something like on a small camera or whatever, if the recording on the camera would be the problem. But it sounds really nice, and it sounds much better, so I'm really happy about that. So now next we're going to do some testing. So we're going to do some advanced, testing of just the microphone itself. I'm going to put it up in front of you so you guys can see it, and we're just going to go through and test each individual part, put it in the center, and then we're going to walk around and stuff. So we'll see how that goes. Be right back. So this is me standing pretty much right in front of the microphone. Now it's probably about maybe, I'd say, a foot away from my mouth. This is pretty much as close up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stand up, walk around here, and I'm going to let you guys hear it. So I'm going to go counterclockwise around the microphone, around the table that I have this sitting on, and I'm going just to talk different, just say the same thing. I don't know what I'm going to say. We'll just say testing the whole way around so you guys can get a good idea of what it sounds like all around. Now the air conditioning unit is sitting that way, so obviously that's, if you're hearing that in the background, I'll probably have already edited it out. And I've tested with the audio, and it does pick up a little bit of it, but the best part I like about it is that it automatically boosts the level of the audio, so that I can basically just pop it in there and just do that pretty much without a problem. So let's get into just walking around real quick and testing. So first off, let's talk about this. So we'll start over here. So we're going to pretty much outside of the camera, right over here, and we'll just start with some testing. So testing, and now I'm behind the camera, testing, or behind the microphone, testing. Now I'm on the other side of the microphone, testing. And as you can hear, I'm going to say this above now, to the side, so testing, and then I can sit down here and clap for you so you all can have a fun time with that. But as you can see, it's pretty much right here now. Sounds cool. But now I probably will have it sitting right up here, just outside of the camera view, so it's about the same distance or so away from my face, just so that it sounds pretty much the same. So that's basically pretty much audio testing and how it sounds and things like that. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and actually I probably got to scoot over a little bit. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. This has been something I'm, happy to put a little bit of effort into the channel for this. And of course, check out the channel for other cool tech-related things. And of course, thank you very much for watching. Oh, goodbye.